Getting a camera visual into the copper waste pipe. It's a 54mm copper line. First joint, second joint, both potential leaks. It's PVC. That's what a SSN looks like from inside the pipe. We dry it out, sand it down, and prep for the protective coating to be applied, making sure that the pipe walls are nice and rough so the epoxy will bond nicely. We have the delivery hose, the brushes, and we have the camera. In they go, all the way down to the bottom of the pipe section that we want to line. We're using a nice blue epoxy for this coating. Inject it into the line, and then we start brushing from the bottom, coming up, working it nicely into the walls of the pipe and any gaps to create a nice thick skin all the way through. Coated all the way up to the top of the pipe. Two days after the coating, putting a camera in to inspect the lining work. The copper pipe has a nice thick coating now, going all the way through the slab, covering all the joints and eliminating any leaks all the way to the unit below.